Hello students, today we will be talking about the 4 points, that is data science, artificial intelligence, learning and difference between the traditional programming and the machine learning, right? So here, let's start with the topic data science. I have broken down the current session into 4 sections, section 1, section 2, section 3 and section 4. So these are a series which will be followed by one after the another. I am starting with the first section, that is the data science, right? So first talk about the definition. Now there are certain key points which we must understand when we talk about the data science. The first thing is the interdisciplinary study. So it includes all the fields of study of science, maths, software, business and so on. Second, that it also talks about the scientific method. So it is an organized way. Right? The third point that comes is it involves number of processes. The next, it involves algorithms. Since we are talking about machines, we are talking about computer systems, we are talking about mathematics, right? So similarly, we have algorithms here. Then this can be used to extract knowledge. Since I have the data, I can process the data using algorithms, scientific methods to gather more information. That is why extract the knowledge. Now this can be extracted from data which is structured and both the unstructured. And this is applied in the fields of machine learning, data mining and artificial intelligence. So if I combine all this together, we can say that data science is an interdisciplinary study which is consisting of scientific methods, processes and algorithms to extract knowledge using structured and unstructured data, and can be applied in the fields of machine learning, data mining and artificial intelligence. Now since all these are not from one field of study, we can put them into a simple Venn diagram to show their association and the data science. So we draw three sets which overlap one another. So the most overlapped section is the data science. Now from where it comes? It involves business, it involves maths and stats, it involves IT and computer systems, it involves research, it involves machine learning, and the most important, the software development mechanisms. So all this put together develops a field which is referred as data science. Now what we have said is not so easy to do. So we have to follow a certain life cycle which lets us understand that what actually data science is, right? So we will go into the life cycle of the data science. Now when we talk about the life cycle consists of step number 1, the data discovery, because every study starts with the collection of data. Then the data preparation, because the data which is collected might not be in the way it is intended to be. So we have to prepare the data so that it can be used, right? Then we can apply certain mathematical models over the data and gather the information, right? Once the data is gathered, we can put it into action. Once the things comes into action, then it can be communicated. So to whom we can communicate? We can communicate it to society, we can communicate it to research field, we can communicate it to scientists, students, and well across all the fields to which this particular field of study is related. And that is why data science becomes important, right? And this is how we finish the first part of this section, which is the data science. So we end the first topic here. Thank you.